Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create product family in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to our objects manager, and from there, you will need just to go to our products, and simply we need to click here, setup, and basically we need to go to the objects manager. So from here, we need to search for our products. So just go like this, and basically here we will find products. And if we click, we will need just to go to the field here in fields in the relationship, and we want to search for products family. So by clicking here on the products family, we will find that it is already a data pick list, or its data type is a pick list. So all we need to do is to start adding items to this pick list. So we now will be able to start creating a new family product. So all we need to do is just to click on edit, and now we will find the field informations, and those are some other things we want just to click on save. And basically down here we will find the product family pick list value. So we need just to click on edit, and this is another value. You click on save, and to create a new one you will need just to click on new value. So here I'm just going to click on new, and basically you will need just to add the value for this pick list. So as you can see, you can either add one or more pick list value. So it will be, for example, A, B, from here. So A, B, and C, and I'm just going to click on save. And as you can see now, I'm having more values. Of course, you can assign a default one if you would like, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.